Hello guys and welcome to my first Brick Rigs tutorial, and today I will try to show you how to fly easily with the helicopter. Okay, so the first and the most important in flying with the helicopters is to choose the best one and find it. So when you go in the workshop searcher and go into tags and select here type helicopter, you can see a lot of helis, and now you can choose. Okay, but today I will show you how to fly with this helicopter. These helicopters are only an example of many tips of the helicopters. Okay, so the first one, when you are going into the this heli, you can see a lot of switches, but it's not important as it looks. Okay, so all of the helicopters have different methods how to start engine. The best, I think, the best helicopter for learning how to fly is this. I will pass the link for it into the description. And if you are spawning a helicopter, in the describers you can see how to start it. Yes, and I will show you the most common examples of starting the engines. Okay, so the first one here, this heli starts on the, as you can see, this heli. If you are invert steering, engines on off. So if you don't know how to click disable steering or invert steering, you can click escape. Yes. Then you go into vehicle advanced and you see invert steering is X. So now if I hold the X button, engine will start and then you can fly. This is the difference, and all of steering is the same as this heli and this, only starting engines can be different. Okay, in this heli you are starting just on clicking Alt, and then your engine is started. Okay, so now we will go into this. And okay, the first and most important is if you click Alt on your keyboard, you can see a green icon in the left corner of the screen. This means you are in the operation mode. If you don't remember how to get into the operation mode, you can see there. You must hold escape and click vehicle is here. Okay, in operation mode all of the helis are flying, and okay, if you are in operation mode, as you can see I'm in, you can't move your camera. So if you are want to fly the helicopter, it's recommended to get your camera back into the heli to see all of it. Okay, so now this heli starts very easily. You must go into the first person camera and click this button. Now engine is started. and if I go into the operation mode, I can fly it. So now, to go up, you must click V. Okay, so to go down, you must click S. Okay. This is most basic knowledge, but now I will show you how to drive this helicopter. Okay, so now I will show you how to fly it. You must come into the driver seat, and now in the left of my screen corner you can see four information boxes. On the first one you can see your speed on the all of the vectors. On second one you can see how speed you are going up or down. If you are going up, your speed will be on the plus side, or if you are going down, it will be on the minus side. In the third information box you can see your height, and this can help with the landing, but not always. And the last information box you can see your fuel. Okay, so now we will go to the most important things, how to fly. Okay, so now we know how to start your engine. Start it, go into the operation mode and come up. Okay, so now if you click D, you can rotate to any degree. If you click A, you can rotate. So that's all of it. To fly helicopter, fly forward your helicopter, you must get your mouse and slowly pull it forward. When your heli will start fly forward, you only should check second information box about are you going up or down, because if you are going down you can easily crash. Okay, so this is the most basically steering. To stop you should you should move your mouse back. Okay, it's very easily way to stop. You must start hover mode. To do it, you must turn off operation mode and click this button. But sometimes in other helis it can be on X or B. Not always, but sometimes. Okay, and when you can go there, and your heli will stay there as soon as you will get it. Okay, I'm back. I will back to it. Okay, and now I will go to the last of our tutorial, how to land. So the easiest way to land is get to the landing, and now to stop, activate hover mode, and you can see I'm just clicking S and I have landed. And that is all. I hope you are enjoying my tutorial. Write in comments what I should do next, and thank you for watching. Bye.